Alright, I'm going to mount this Kraken flag mount on my JL Jeep Wrangler. Looks like I got the correct one. Haven't even opened it yet. Directions seem pretty simple. I bought this on Amazon. This one little bracket. It looks pretty easy. I think that's really all that's in there. Yeah, so let's go see how it fits. So it's actually a really good coating. It's almost like a rhino lighting type coating. Seems like it'll hold up pretty well. You can get two different sides. You can get the passenger side or the driver's side. I got the passenger side just to do one flag. Boy, it looks like it's going to be a tight fit for the flag, but now let's have a look. All I have to do is remove the tire, the couple existing bolts that go, and mount it and mount the flag. Let's see how it works. Okay, now that the tire is removed, it's just going to be this bolt and that one. Remove those and put the bracket on. Some of the reviews mentioned that this little round spot hit the body of their Jeep, so let's see where it lands. Oh, not bad at all. I got a good probably 1/4 inch, maybe even a 1/2 inch of clearance there. It's on sturdy. Let me get my little flag mount. So this is a Tusk one that I picked up on Rocky Mountain ATV. So let's see how it works. Okay, now just slide my flag in. The only problem I see is taking this flag in and out when the tire is on. Don't know how tricky that'll be getting. I don't want to have to take the tire off every time, but we'll see. Ready for the dunes. Let me throw the tire back on and see what kind of clearance I have. All right, I don't have the tire completely bolted on yet, but that's about where it's going to go. So as you can see, it's kind of hidden. And let me bolt it up. All right, so I got the tire bolted back on. And as you can see, the clearance is all good and everything. But a problem I see is getting a wrench back here to tighten my flag in. Let me see. Let me check if I maybe open the window. Actually, this is better. I can access it from right here. All I have to do is open the tailgate. And you can loosen that up. Okay. Had to get a free hand there. So now I should be able to get it just fine. There we go. Looks like good clearance. I was worried that it wouldn't clear this and the tire, but it looks pretty good. Now it's gonna, when you're off-roading, it's gonna bounce around a little bit, but that's no big deal. It'll be all low speed stuff for the most part. So there we go. I am legal for the sand dunes. Thumbs up so far.